How to log into your HSBC Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your HSBC Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in hsbc.co.uk. Now, if you're from any other countries beside from the UK, simply go to the HSBC Bank website of your country. Now, once you're on the official homepage of HSBC Bank, simply tap on the logon option on the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll be taken to this page where you can basically choose a particular method as to how you can log into your account. So you can choose your sort code and account number, your credit card number, your InvestDirect account number, PIMS account number, your username, or simply your online banking user ID. Now, whichever one you choose, simply tap on it and then tap on the option continue. After that, simply fill out the details asked to you, or if you want, you can simply choose another method and do the same. And once you fill out all the details, tap on the option continue and you will have successfully logged into your HSBC Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.